We are the group that assigned to discuss the information sheet number 3, temperature sensors. Temperature sensors. Temperature sensors in automotive application are vital components that monitor and manage the thermal conditions of various systems within a vehicle by providing real-time data on temperatures such as engine coolant, oil, and intake air. These sensors enable the vehicle electronic control units or ECUs to optimize performance, improve fuel efficiency, and ensure safety. Engine coolant temperature (ECT). Engine coolant temperature or ECT is the measurement of the temperature of the coolant fluid circulating through an engine cooling system. This measurement is essential for managing engine performance, efficiency, and safety. Intake air temperature IAT. Intake The intake air temperature or IAT sensors is a device that measures the temperature of the air entering the engine's intake manifold. This sensor plays a critical role in optimizing engine performance by providing real-time data to the vehicle electronic control units or ECU. This sensor measures the temperature of the air entering the engine. It provides information to the ECU about air density, which is crucial for adjusting the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion and performance.
Exhaust gas recirculation or EGR. Temperature sensors monitor the temperature of the gases entering and exiting the EGR cooler. They send their readings on exhaust gas temperature to the engine control module or ECM or power train control module or PCM. Can you see in the figure that EGR or temperature sensor is located in the EGR passage, and the EGR measure the temperature of the exhaust gases. Once the valve is open, the temperature increases. From the increases in temperature, the ECM knows the EGR valve is open and that exhaust gases are flowing. Can you see the temperature graph? As temperature increases, sensor resistance and the voltage signal decreases. Note that at the upper end of the temperature resistance scale, ECT resistance changes very little.
Temperature sensor diagnostics works by first visually inspecting the sensor and its connections for any physical damage or collisions. Technicians then use a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance and output signal, comparing these readings to manufacturer specifications. They may also use diagnostic tools to check for any error records that indicate sensor malfunctions. Finally, if disruptions are found, the sensor may be calibrated, repaired, or replaced to ensure accurate temperature measurements.
Okay everyone, our topic today is open circuit test at sensor. Okay, a jumper wire is inserted in the circuit as shown in the repair manual. Makikita natin dyan sa papel, sa module. The temperature should go high. Pag sinabing high, kailangan niya uminit. Ayun ang meaning niya. If it does, the circuit and the ECM must be good and the temperature sensor or connected is at fault. If the temperature did not go high, then the problem is with the circuit or ECM. Ang problema kapag hindi uminit ang temperature doon sa sensor, ang may problema na yan, yung ECM or yung circuit natin, guys. In the open circuit test at ECM naman, to isolate if the problem is with the circuit or the ECM, kapag problema naman na nandun na sa ECM, a jumper wire is inserted between the temperature, such as THW, may kikita dyan sa module, sa may manual, determine and ground E2, Kukonek yan sa E2. Makikita nyo may wire na parang pa-U, pa-C, something na ganon. And the temperature should go high. If it does, the problem is in the circuit. If it did not go high, pag hindi na naman siya uminit, ang possible na may sira naman dyan, ang connector na ginamit natin. Okay?
Short circuit testing is a fundamental test to ensure safety when an equipment is stressed by every high currents and energy. To perform a short circuit testing, you can use a multimeter or a continuity tester to measure the resistance or the continuity of each component. A low resistance or a beep sound indicates a short circuit. Temperature sensor component testing. Temperature sensors measure heat and cold, converting these readings into electrical signals. To test the temperature sensors, you need a multimeter and then set it to measure the resistance. Clip one probe to an outer sensor connector and the other across from it. Then submerge in hot then ice water. Note the readings after a few seconds around 250 and 1000 ohms respectively.